You open your eyes. The alarm is ringing, but your body is already fighting you. Your lower back is locked. Your neck is stiff. Your shoulders feel heavy, pulling you down into the mattress. Most people just accept this. They call it getting older. They blame their pillow. Or they think they need to spend 2 hours at the gym to fix it. They are wrong. Your body isn't broken. It is just dry. Not your stomach, your fascia. The biological web of tension that holds your entire skeleton together. While you sleep, this vital connective tissue cools down. It stops moving. It thickens and becomes like cold glue. If you jump out of bed and rush into your day, you are forcing a frozen machine into high gear. You are fighting your own mechanics. This is how you destroy your posture. This is why you feel weak. But it doesn't have to be this way. Over 1,000 years ago, Shaolin monks faced the exact same problem. They sat meditating for hours, their bodies locking up, their joints slowly failing. So they engineered a solution. They didn't create a grueling workout. They created a structural reset. The Yi Jin Jing. Today, you don't need a mountain temple. You don't need a punishing routine. You only need to know how to rewrite the software of your body the moment you wake up. Stop fighting your own joints. Here are the 3 ancient morning habits that will rebuild your physical machine before you even leave your bedroom. Do not stand up yet. The biggest mistake you make happens in the first 3 seconds of your day. You throw off the covers, twist your spine, and force a cold, stiff structure to carry your entire body weight. Stop. Before gravity crushes your vertebrae, you must create space. This is the bed anchor. While still lying flat on your back, imagine your body as a bowstring. Push your heels as far down the mattress as possible. At the exact same time, push the crown of your head in the opposite direction. Do not tense your muscles. Do not squeeze. Just reach. You are not stretching. You are applying the law of tensegrity. You are pulling the biological cables of your fascia taut. Now, take a deep breath. But do not lift your chest. Drive the air deep into your belly. Expand your lower stomach like a balloon trapped under a heavy weight. This internal pressure acts as a hydraulic lift for your lower back. It gently pushes the lumbar vertebrae apart from the inside out, flooding the dry discs with fresh fluid. Hold this dual tension for just 10 seconds. Breathe out slowly. Let the tension melt into the mattress. You have just rehydrated the connective tissue around your spine. The cold glue is gone. The structure is primed. Now, you are ready to face gravity. Now, you move to the edge of the bed. Your feet touch the ground. Pay close attention. This is the exact moment most people ruin their knees and lower back for the rest of the day. You probably let your feet just slap against the floor. You treat them like lifeless blocks of bone. You let gravity crush you. You are ignoring the most powerful kinetic switch in your human machine. In the ancient texts, power does not start in the shoulders. It does not start in the chest. It starts in the root. This is the rooted step. Stand up. Keep your feet completely bare. You must feel the surface beneath you. Thick, modern socks and soft slippers blind your nervous system. Do not just stand passively. Grip the floor. Spread your toes wide and press them down. Imagine your feet are talons. try to physically grab the floorboards beneath you. Instantly, you will feel a biological chain reaction. Your arches will lift. A spiral of kinetic tension will wrap around your calves, lock your hips into perfect alignment, and shoot straight up your spine. You are no longer a loose stack of bones waiting to collapse. You have become a grounded, integrated structure. By simply changing how your feet interact with the ground, you wake up the entire posterior fascial line. You turn your legs into active shock absorbers. Hold this root. Feel the connection. You are finally ready to move. Your structure is now anchored. Your lower body is awake. But you are still carrying yesterday's invisible weight. Your shoulders are creeping up toward your ears. Your neck is tight. You are wearing a subconscious armor built from stress and bad posture. If you walk out the door like this, you will burn out before noon. You need to shatter that armor. This is the Fascia Shake. It is the most misunderstood secret of internal martial arts. Stay in your rooted stance. Let your arms hang completely dead at your sides, like heavy, wet ropes. Relax your jaw, hollow your chest. Now gently bounce on your heels. Do not jump. Lift your heels a fraction of an inch and let them drop. Create a steady, effortless pulse. Let the gentle impact travel from the floor, up through your bones. You will feel a strange sensation. The vibration will ripple up your spine and crash directly into the tight knots of your shoulders. Do not fight the movement. Let your arms flop. Let your head bob slightly. Surrender to gravity. Every time your heels strike the floor, you are sending a micro shockwave through your fascial web. This rhythmic vibration literally shakes the trapped kinetic tension out of your connective tissue. It melts the rigid glue in your upper back. It resets your nervous system. Do this for 60 seconds. Just breathe and bounce. When you finally stop, stand perfectly still. You will feel a deep, buzzing warmth under your skin. That is the feeling of a fully awakened human machine. You do not need a grueling 2-hour workout to heal. You just need to know how to operate your machine. 3 simple habits. 3 minutes. 1 complete structural reset. Tomorrow morning, do not let gravity win. Anchor your spine. Root your step. Shake the armor off. Before you go, let me know in the comments below. What is the very first thing that hurts when you open your eyes? I will be reading and replying. The structure is waiting. The reset begins now. Stay fluid. Stay zen.